I'm getting really excited. So I've had a couple companies, waxing companies, reach out to me and ask if I want to have some of their wax to review and post some videos on it and see what I think. Yes, absolutely I do. I only have a couple requirements. The first one is that if you want to send me some wax, and make sure it's a hard wax. Right now I'm not using soft wax, so I don't want to waste any of your product. Number two, just make sure that if you want to make this offer to me for some videos, that your wax does have an MSDS. Now, if you're wondering what this is, everybody, this is a material safety data sheet. That's in case if something happens to a client and they need to know exactly the ingredients, for their skin in the case of an emergency, and they can take a look at that. And also in case for inspection, if I have your wax on hand and the state board needs to see that MSDS, that is non-negotiable. But yes, I'm very excited to try out everybody's wax and post some videos coming soon.